What's up guys, Squish Banana here, and today we're going to be playing some Plants vs Zombies. We're going to do a pack opening, so make sure to subscribe, leave a like and press the bell. And yes, let's get right into it. So we're going to be opening the Infinity Packs, 200,000. So let's hopefully we get some good, like a legendary something. So we got, okay, we nearly have 2 million by the way. Okay, that's quite good, that's okay I guess. Next one. Oh, I nearly opened the 75k pack then. No, oh my god. Nah. It's legendary pirate. It's the party pirate. Shocked. Oh my god. They're so rare to get. Oh, yes. Oh. I just opened the thingy pack by accident. God damn it. There we go, that's all we got. I can't believe it. It's here open. I can't believe it. Okay. Okay, I like that. Okay. Quite good. Next one. Okay, we got a pizza whip thingy. We got some lips for the engineer and then a rose hat. 200,000 pack again. Okay, it's alright, I guess. It's alright. Okay. Dummy for the soldier. See what I get next. That's okay, I guess. Okay. It's okay. Next one, 200,000. Ooh. Cool. Very cool. Another one. Alright, open it. I like them lips of the chomper. Right. I have to do that because I can't open another 200,000. Okay, we got a fire rose. We can do one more for normal 75 cat pack. Okay, we got a ruby star. It's very good. And we're able to do a 15,000 pack, I think. Yep, 15,000. Right, now I'm on 643 figures. Okay. Got good. Camo. Okay, it's alright. Guys, by the way, guys, I'm sorry that this video is only short. I will do long videos and montage and all that. Let's see what I got on the pen. The picture, I can't speak today. There's nothing there. We didn't really get anything for the be sure. Right, let's put abilities on. Speed, yeah, it's probably gonna be good setup. Okay, so scientist. Get that frog hat on. Okay, now we're gonna put. Whoa, look at that! Bunny ears with that, that's cool. Right, so now did I get anything for the imp? Let's see. Okay, nothing else, nothing too old. Oh yeah, I forgot about them. I want to put them on. Right, let's see what I can't believe I'm so close to getting the pirate though. Boy pirate. I like pirates. I'm okay with them. Oh, that's loud. Ah! Okay guys, I'm gonna show off all the characters what I have now. I have all the all-stars, I have all the soldiers, I have all the engineers now. It's quite good, quite good. So we got the pile on him, the Drake him, and the normal imp, and I forgot the other ones. Electrical brains, number brains, and got what the other one is. I don't really know any engineer names. I don't really listen to the names too much. Over here, soldier. So you see, I've got all the soldier. There we go. Arctic brain, Arctic soldier. And yeah, over there, Captain Deadbeard and all that. Right, scientist. The only one what I need for the scientist now is the legendary scientist. And I've got the normal scientists. Next one, and all-stars. I've got all the all-stars now. I have the Ruby Star, I have the, a lot more. Okay, right. Go over here. And then you can, go back to the plants, and then I'm going to show you my, thingy now. My ones on the plant. So, Commando P. I'm really glad I got Commando P. Level 9. Alright, so there's all my flowers. I got the Plasma P, got the Law P, got the Toxic P, got the Commando P, I think I've already said that. I got Ice P, got more and more. Got the Frozen Citron, I got Electric Citron, Normal Citron. Got the Normal Citron Master. Got Electric Chomper, I think it is. No. That. Don't really know my cactuses. And that. Okay guys, that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and press that bell. And yeah, so see you next time. See ya. Squishy Banana out.